But you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl.
Oh my god, guys. Spend the day with me. Like, I've just woken up. Oh, I need to. Hi, sunny space. Hey, liking the lashes. Let me fix them. Chini niwaambie niko na stress. Like, I'm really stressed. I'm really. But you know what? Things will get better. Today I'm going to see my friend. I'm actually spending time with my friends and nimeamka tu saa hii, so let's do this. Let's do this.
Give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection, and I hope I'm not sounding too desperate. I need love and affection. Love, 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 love and affection. Love, love, L-O-V-E and affection.
Oh, baby, I'm not asking for the world.
My clothes, I'll start with the black ones because I don't let the black ones sit in the machine for a long time. Ndio I kill time like narakisha. I've just worn a regular shirt and naonyesha my skincare. I go in with this toner. Then my serum from Wisha Beauty. I feel as if I look so cute, so I don't know. I go in with this vitamin E oil still from Wisha Beauty. Si mingi sana. I go in with this one. This one has been helping me. Ata sijuni Revive Eye Serum, but I apply it on my forehead, on my cheeks, yani to my acne prone areas. So over here, here, chin. For it to relax, for my face to calm down. I'm just applying a lot of things. So with this last step, to be honest, si ati naifanyanga kila siku ama kila saa. I'll be lying. You know that step ni gani? But I'll really be trying to like be incorporating it in my skincare like kila saa. I really need a new tripod, so I feel as if okay, see it. It's my mom, so but I wouldn't mind working with them. They look like such a cool company. Hi, calm down, calm down. This bag sasa inakanga vizuri sana when it's full, like it's good for sleepovers because it looks small but it's huge. It's colorful.
I'm good enough. About shit that I shouldn't. So I tell him it's one of me, making fun of me. His girl is a bun of me, like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like
Oh, even the Draco.
Town natengeneza kucha wapi? Mimi nataka kuja town.
Town naendanga kwa Alex.
Is that the person?
Please.
Anajua kutengeneza stiletto vizuri
Sana.
I want that.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for
2 days.
Kama nililala nazo.
Unafunga macho?
see you no more, that it becomes so with what you're going through. I wanna be done.
So guys, I'm done with my waxing.
Do you feel like this one?
I was in the washroom already. So I'm done with we are both done with our waxing. Now, did you like the experience?
Yes, I did.
How was it? Testing for?
Fun. Guy, I think I will be doing it every time for him. I feel like a baby.
Right? What's it?
Hey!
Get the arm. Hey, Sherish.
Hi guys, how are you?
I'm good. Today came with our friends. was talking about. Should we start? Yes. Okay. Yeah, Mimi. Yes, please.
We get out of the brand as well, yeah?
Don't hesitate when you in it 'cause you know I like it. Waking up a cake for you. Sweet brother, give me your body. You can't just keep talking about it. We spend too often around it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna let you ride. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me where I started, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna let you ride. We can't just keep talking about it. We can't just be cautious about it.
Hi Sunny Space, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I'm looking crazy because this is supposed to be like this, and today I don't think I'm doing that hairstyle, so spend the day with me. But first, hey, I will begin a closet my coffee. If you get my coffee, these are some arranged clothes by me. Anyways, today we're spending the day together, yes, but first, it's on a Sunday by the way, but first I really need to arrange this room, then I need to edit a video. 2 good hours, 3 hours of editing, like nikae tu chini and edit a video. So muniombe, nataka muniombe.
I'm going through a lot of problems. Na ni mimi nijiletea.
Sijui mbona macho zangu zinakaa red, but yesterday we had family function and this is how it went. Nothing much, it was just like a small meetup, and yeah, so I really need to arrange this room. Na naomba sana nikianza kupaka makeup nisiache hivi tena. This is a mess. From a colleague of mine and I love it, but the problem is sijui malintayeka. I don't know where to place it. I just don't know. Like, I don't know. But at the meantime, let's just stay over here because I don't know where to put it. My kitchen. On a serious note, leo nashangaa nivae style gani, but the heat in Nairobi, the heat in Machakos kwanza, so new buy wig. But I literally I don't like the water curl venye ikishakauka inaanza kuka why they just can't keep the girls. It's already 12:18, that's 12:20. So sijui kama nitaweza kumaliza hii video before nitoke, because it's not long but at the same time it's not short, and it just feels like I have to make it interesting. It was just bland, like honestly I was just videoing, but since niko nayo anyways, shida hapa hata hakuna intro. But let me just see, ikifika saa 8 I hope nitakuwa sawa.
Centric.
Come rewind, girl, I get the money if you make you mine, if you loving every night, you make you mad, now only you give me love and make me nice, 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 if you make you mine, girl, I love you plus I never make you mine, if I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my life, if you tell me nothing, I'm spending night, thinking I love it every day, so you use the money I will pay.
Let me show you guys how I download songs from my YouTube. Yeah, so I go to SoundCloud, I just look for like YouTube vlog songs, and naangalianga zenye ziko na a lot of plays. So kama this one, I have it. I hope mnanisikia. I hope you can hear me. So copy the link. You can shorten the link. Copy the link. Command them see. I hope unajua kitu kama hiyo. Copy the link. Then go to any SoundCloud converter. Then download another file. Then paste. Then convert. Then download the song. Download the song, and it's there. Because watu wengine wananishtuanga hii dunia, to be honest. How can you put L, like the sticker L, katikati ya the rear window, like the rear screen ama whatever inaitwa? Guy, unaona huyu, wacha nikukaribie. Why will she do that? Let me just assume it's a she. Hata hao watu wa hiyo motors wanaikaje tu jina yao hapo katikati? That thing can piss me off for sure. Ndio anaharakisha nenda. Na ndio tumetoka kubishana nayo huko juu. Baada ana adabu huyo. Mimi hata sina pesa sasa, sitaki hata mchezo. Na wao nakupigia enough you. Abu jaribu kupigia kisha. Nashangaa nitavaa nini. Oh my goodness. So as this one na upload, let me start getting ready. Let me tell you the crazy thing, guys. Ni 6 na bado tuko kwa nyumba. Here are my people na bado wako kwa nyumba na ndo anafanya makeup. Na wale uko karibu kumaliza? Wewe mimi niko ready. Sawa, na wale mimi naita uba yangu hapa saa hii. Niite uba hapa. Mimi. Makeup na hangover. Mimi jana nilikuwa as a family function. We're leaving right now and it's so late. I'm pissed off kidogo at Nawal but ni sawa tu. So tupatane tu hapo. ama tupatane kwa gari ya Kisha. This vlog imeharibika tu hapa jioni cause things have just gone astray. Also, I just had a reaction video of JP. Nitaeka handle yake hapa ya YouTube. Oh my god, amenishtua but it's okay. Na sweat cause this heat is not a joke and my under eye makeup imeharibika tena but I don't give a fuck. Right now we are here at Kisha anamalizia na wala anamalizia pia. I do like my makeup a little bit but my under eye another thing.
Well, my bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. Yeah, she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be a volume. Okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay.
On the pop outside, cause it's hot out. Playing games, find out. Where the blind niggas? Turn the blind niggas. I've been cuffed up too long. Let's move the blind niggas. Boy, let's go on for long. Let's go live for lit. If I can handle that, let me see you handle this.
Hapa it's either una support Man City ama una support Arsenal. Kama support either na kublock. na kublock for real.
Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black card, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing. Tatted up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, she know it. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yes, she know it. She gon' make me spend some money on it. Yes, she know it. Whole bank account, I blow it. Go do a show then, bring some more in. Pockets bigger than a Samoan. I'm in stage every time, shawty go in. Shawty go in, shawty go in. Booty hit the floating, slow motion. I'm so gone on Patron. I don't know how I'm getting home later on. Like booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Shout it thick, thicker than a snicker. Every time she do it, it's for me and my niggas. And a friend do it with her. She don't even like girls, but a stack will make her kiss her. Gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her. She don't even like girls, but a stack will make her kiss her. Gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her. She keep fucking around, I'ma watch dismissal. Gon' kiss her. She make us rock then jiggle. Put on the show then, bring that dough in. Booty bigger than a Samoan. I'm in stage every time shawty go in. Shawty go in, shawty go in. Booty hit the floating, slow motion. I'm so gone up Patron. I don't know how I'm getting home later on. Like throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
Yeah, and you know it. Look at how she throw it. Figured any bigger, baby girl gon' have to tow it. Sitting on the memes like Floyd, but she lied to you if she said I paid for it. Nigga, 99 broad, 99 broad. Panoramic view from the 99th floor.
Where have you been? Nobody knows me, nobody you do. Nobody gon' love me, nobody like you. Can't even deny it. Every time I try it, I look in my eyes, you know I'm lying. Body too high, skin too skin. Never gon' love like this again. Made for just for me, you were made for. Only for me, you were made for. Oh yeah, you were made for me. Did it every day. I get in my feelings this way. I know it was rare. We fucking whatever did, yeah.